In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase the font size on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best results, go back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select accessibility on the left panel. Select text size up at the top right. And then text size, you can just drag it to the right to make the text size appear larger. Select apply to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.